nandito kami sa May Pier kasi itindrid kami ng Angkwarat at saka ng Janet dito sa may ano. To. So, inaantay lang natin ng ano, ang sasakay tayo sa ano para mapuntahan natin ng Statue of Liberty. Dapat doon tayo sa kabila, Arbab. O yun ang ano eh. O, let's go.
Alam niyo po,
Yan.
medyo crowded po pala tayo
Crowded
dito sa
dito.
New York City. Kaya pag ginawa po ng mga tita, ginawa na lang po nila kami ng cruise tour for an hour para mas ma-appreciate namin tsaka may ikot po namin yung
Medyo
buong city kasi ang crowded po tsaka hirap
let's
po
go. Oo.
mag-parking.
Medyo overrated ng kaunti.
Hindi, ang dami tao kasi.
Dami tao, parang medyo nakaka-stress ano pag mag-tour dito kasi. Pero ewan ko, ito yung mga barko dito, mga pamangkin. Yan ang makikita nyo dyan. Yan o. So yan. Ito mga pamangkin, ito yung madadali mo dyan. Yan. Mayroon ditong sasakyan na ano. Saan daw tayo? Saan tayo? Ang laki ng barko. Pero tingin ko hindi ito sasakyan. Mas sobrang laki naman ito. Eh, ikot lang tayo. Siguro maliit na ano lang to. Saan? Dito? So yung mga pamangkin, ano ba ito? Ang laki naman ng barko na to. Parang ano na to? Parang ano na lang sila. Nakadaong na talaga sa Jato. Yan. Walang kabilang to. Ito yung museum pala ng ano. Yan no. Museum pala to. Itong barko na to. So, papakuhanan ko lang si Arbab dito. And ito yung papunta ng Statue of Liberty.
Superia. Mag-cruise po kami, makikita po namin si Statue of Liberty, si Kumaring Liberty.
Ayan na.
Pupuntahan namin.
Sige. So dito tayo? Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun? Arbab? Sige na, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Ito na lang, barko na lang. Itong barko na lang ang kuhanan natin. So papapicture tayo guys. So ayan mga pamangkin, dito tayo pupunta sa Pier 16 mga pasto. So New York, yan, New York water taxi. So tira natin kung saan to. Antay natin. Dito, saan ka ba? Dito daw? Dito tayo pupunta mga pamangkin. Tickets and information. So yan. Ito yung makikita mo dito mga pamangkin. Yung mga building na Manhattan, tapos Brooklyn. Para yata ito yung hindi ko alam kung Brooklyn Bridge pa to o Manhattan. Tapos yan, ito yung makikita mo dito sa labas. Grabe, ang init. Oh, kaya nga na, ano na, video ko na.
Paano kita?
Ayun na, beso.
Where is this one? We bought a ticket from Seattle.
Straight back at the head of here. I know you ready. I see you ready.
Oh, okay.
I'll be right on.
Ano?
To let us know where is our cruise.
Let's go
So
guys.
your cruise is straight down at the end of the pier.
Okay.
You're gonna see like these red holes,
Okay.
and on this side you can see the Brooklyn Bridge. So while you wait for the boat to come, you guys can take a selfie there.
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
So ayun mga pamangkin, ang bait nila ha. Sobrang
Kasi
ano.
nakita ng vlogger.
Yeah. Enjoy sila. So magbo-vlog tayo na magbo-vlog dito mga pamangkin. Let's go. So Arbab, ano na? Hindi na magkamayaw to mga pamangkin, yung mga buildings dito. Antindi. O diba mga pamangkins? Hindi na magkaintindihan sa Arbab eh. Hindi alam kung sino yung mga bibidyohan niya dito. So let's go. So punta tayo dito. Ito pala yung museum pala to. So ano makikita mo dito? Siguro may mga pupuntahan dyan. So ano Arbab? Let's go. Grabe itong cargo ship na to. Parang yung nakita natin sa Nauticus. Ang laki. Pero mas malaki yun. Ito parang mga lumang-luma na 1885 pa kasi. Kasi yung nakita natin doon is sa battleship. So ibang-iba yan. Medyo updated na ng kaunti yun. Compare dito kasi ito yung mga old school na barko. Compare doon na talagang pandigma yun, di ba? So, the best.
Marami pa ng ganun dito. Yung mga
Oo.
video.
Oo nga eh. Tapos yan, no? Ang tindi, arba ba, no? Enjoy ba? Ang maganda yung panahon, ano?
Oo, ang ganda yung panahon. Tsaka
Oo.
ang maganda, makakapag-cruise tayo dito. May ikot natin yung buong, New York, Manhattan. Sorry po mga pamangkin. At napilok. Ang taas sa tubig, oh.
Saan daw tayo? Alam mo na kung saan
Dito.
pupunta?
Tapos
Pero-
doon.
Saan?
Wait.
Tanong mo dyan, i-chuhin mo dyan. Ito para makaano tayo sa mali, mainit. Baka itong anong to. Ito sigurong anong to. Hi guys.
Yeah, we booked for a cruise.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. For this one. Is it here?
Yeah, it's here.
Okay.
So just come back like 2:15. The line will be right there.
This one? This one. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
With our
Oh, saan to?
2:15.
O, saan tayo?
Early.
Anong oras na ba?
So we can go.
Asan doon yung ano? Ano daw sasakyan natin?
Dito tayo. This is the line.
Okay. Saka pa tayo dadagos. Papunta doon sa
Let's jump out.
pupuntahan natin. Liverpool. Ayos ah. Ito yung barko. Laki. Pamangkin. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
Good afternoon. So, maraming tourist ngayon. So, 2:15 pa pala yung aming ito pang 2 o'clock ang 2:30 kami, pero 2:15 kami pupunta doon sa on time. So, to mga pang 2 o'clock sila sasalang na doon sa
Sa line.
sa line, tapos tayo mamaya pang konti. So, while waiting, yun, nag-try
Tambay muna kami
tambay
dito
muna.
sa Common Fish sa may Pier 16. Ito po puro mga alak naman.
Kayo nga.
Puro mga alak dito. Ito, hindi ba kami nainom?
Ayun lang.
Ayan. Halos lahat ng mga puti katanghali ang tapat mga
Giinom na sila eh.
inuman na eh.
Eh, naman na.
Yes, kainaman na. Pero mag-a-ice nilang po kami, mga pamangkin. Sila lang kain namin inumin.
Honor Bobs.
Hello mga pamangkin, para lang makatambay kami dito sa Couple Fish Pier 16 while waiting our queue for 2:30.
Wala, no
Order
choice
kami
talaga.
ng lemonade.
No choice, kailangan mo talagang
Kailangan umorder. Saka dito pala sa Amerika, pag makikigamit ka sa kanila ng mga restaurant, washroom, toilet, kailangan nakasulat dun sa mga restroom nila or toilet for customers only. So pag, syempre parang nakakahiya pag hindi ka order kasi titingnan pa nilang lahat yung mga waiter ay mga cashier. So bumili kami, this is $5.45. Ito yung isang ganito.
$5.44
Yeah, 44 cents. Okay na din po para na at least kasi matagal pa kami. Upo muna kami dito mga pamangkin.
Sige. Pamangkin. So, yan. So, sinacheck na yung chicken tayo. Pupunta na tayo dun sa
Yep. Okay.
Yan na.
Maybe a little bigger. Maybe you could just zoom it. Yep, there we go.
Yeah. Oh,
Flat.
it's not working.
Oh.
It's okay, bro.
Okay,
And the other one.
Okay, you guys are good.
Thank you so much. So, ayan mga pamangkin.
Sina tita, nakakatawa kasi
puro
nag-purchase lang
online.
sila, puro online lang.
Ang tindi,
so,
no?
magkukruise po tayo ng isang araw mga pamangkin. Ay, isang oras pala.
Ilang isang araw tayo nasa bangka.
Ito tinambayan namin ng ganda ng concept niya.
Ganda. Ganda ng concept.
Ganda din. Couple fish. Kaya na puro mga...
Tapos titikis na tayo, no?
Yes.
Let's go. Sasakay na tayo dito sa bus. Water bus.
Yes, mga pamangkin. Ito na po. We're moving na po sa ating line. So, we're going na po for cruising for an hour. So, ito po siya. Yeah. kamusta? Nag-ready ka na?
Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, guys, ito po mga pamangkin.
What about that? Rob, tell him you'll come back for your drink.
Gas, patay mo muna.
So, may konting hilo siya kasi nakagalaw. Siguro pag tumakbo na okay na to. So, tingnan natin hanggang mamaya. Magbibideo tayo doon sa may mas malayo.
Folks, the seats are open. Our life jackets downstairs underneath the seats and up top in the yellow bins on either side of me, and they're in the back. If you decide to stand on top, which you're welcome to do, please make sure you do hold on to the railings. Please keep clear of the top of the stairs. We're standing on that stairway. Please refrain from climbing on seats, bins, or railings, and please do not hold small children out over the water. I've seen people do it, and I will stop you. Yes, I have, on more than one occasion. Right behind us is that gorgeous Brooklyn Bridge. We're going to head out underneath her later, learn a little bit more about the history of that amazing structure. First, though, we're pulling out here onto the East River, which separates Brooklyn on the left from Manhattan on our right. 12 avenues over is the Hudson River, which separates New York from New Jersey. And they are both actually tidal estuaries. They meet out in the harbor with salt water, but they don't mix together. So that's a tidal estuary. Fun facts. Did anybody see that really terrible rom-com on Netflix with Reese Witherspoon? Your Place or Mine? Yeah. They have less chemistry than two rocks. They did film it over here, right across from us on our right at this pier, Pier 15, and across the river over in Dumbo, Brooklyn. They've been trying to attract film back into the city. They struck a big tax break, about 10% for films. And over the last couple decades, we've seen a lot of TV and film go to other places here in the United States, places like Pittsburgh, Atlanta, Austin, Texas. We're trying to get people to come back here. We've seen some success, HBO shows like And Just Like That, the Sex and the City spinoff, and Succession shoot here, lots of Netflix films, and of course anything Law and Order related is shot here in the city. Coming up on our right, we have a helipad. It's pretty busy these days. During the week, people take aerial tours of our harbor, see everything from the sky. This is also where marine wetlands, when the president is in town. We did have a president in town last week who did not come through this helipad. And you can also Uber helicopter out to Newark or JFK Airport to beat the traffic before your flight. Here, this guy's gonna come right overhead. Coming up on our right, ferry is a great way to get married on a budget. To hop on board and Staten Island, ride over and across the river in our municipal building here in the city. Go inside, they've got certified turnaround hot back on board. They take Staten Island to your new marriage and make them to the New York here on a budget. They call that municipal building a one-stop shop here in New York because this is where New Yorkers go to get married and divorced. Gotta keep it peppy, guys. I do this 8 times a day. Out on our right, we're looking at the very tip of the island. This is called Battery Park, the oldest district in colonized New York. This land was originally home to the Lenape people and Algonquin tribe before the Dutch arrived to conquer in 1626. After buying the island for $24 worth of goods. Got the better end on that deal. The Dutch went ahead and built up a 14-foot wooden wall to keep the indigenous people out of their colony. Obviously, that wall is no longer standing, but the name does remain. Wall Street stands where that wall once stood, and in between cobblestones, you can actually find fragments of wood from that 400-year-old structure. And yes, out on our left, we have a brief look at Lady Liberty from here. Don't worry, we are going to get much closer. And you can see we got a bunch of people out on jet skis. I wouldn't get in the water out there, but That's my own thing. I think they'll probably need a tetanus shot when I come back. I'm not kidding. I've seen what comes out of it. Essentially, the United States.
Year 8.
Again, this is Battery Park, so if you've already seen the statue, this is your stop. I'm gonna head downstairs, let some people off the boat, and then I will be right back up to continue our tour. Thank you for your patience. We're going to pull up on this side. Everybody over here is getting a great photo. You guys are screwed. Thank you. We're going to turn this boat completely around. So if you're on the right side or you're on the left side, we're going to face the boat that way towards the statue. If you go downstairs and walk out to the bow out there, the front of the boat, that's going to face the statue as well. No matter where you are, you're going to get a good photo. You're going to see her. Just remember, every single person on this boat wants their picture taken in front of the Statue of Liberty. Once you get yours, your TikToks, your Polaroids, your Instagram stories, whatever you're doing, I've seen it all. Step back, admire her from afar.
Ito, malapit na tayo sa Statue of Liberty. So yan mga pamangkin. So yan, no? Ano po, sobrang lapit, no? Grabe, no? Ganda, ganda pala. Akalayan mo nakita namin to ng personal. Dati pinapanood lang namin to sa sa movie, pero ito na, oh. Nakarating kami dito sa mapakalapit. Ito pala itsura nito sa personal, lalo na siguro kung makikita niyo siya ng personal. Ma-appreciate niyo talaga siya sa sobra. So yan siya. Sobrang ganda. Hindi ko lang may lapit tong pero dito sa amin medyo malapit na rin siya, oh. Ganyan siya, ganda. Sorry. Sa mga pamangkin, papalama tayo kay Tsahe natin, kay Tsaheng Statue of Liberty. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tigigis na kami. So, yan. Ito naman tayo.
When we arrived in our harbor, she came over in a bunch of different pieces, and for a while skyscraper is like being a movie star. So they actually raised it up and put her together. That kind of also required a fundraising effort. She originally was coming over from Egypt, but got stuck in the Suez Canal, and for whatever reason. She was known for a time as the 8th wonder of the world. I still think she's pretty wonderful. Her architect, John Roebling, actually invented steel cable just so he could build this bridge. So bridges all around the United States, as in Niagara Falls and Cincinnati, Ohio, which are coming to work on that. And it was considered an architectural genius. Being a genius, he was also a super big weirdo. He was a believer in hydrotherapy for the healing power of water, and he was constantly holding away on his trying to invoke the spirit of his beloved friend Michael. He was working children to come along for what I'm sure was super fun family bonding time. And there is a conspiracy theory surrounding the Brooklyn Bridge because the Brooklyn Ferries were not happy about it. They knew that they were going to lose out on a bunch of money when people could just walk across the bridge. They weren't going to have to pay for a ferry to get them across the East River. So, one day, right before construction began, John was hanging out along the riverbank, taking some last-minute measurements, and one of the Brooklyn ferries started to head straight for him, but he refused to move. So they began to play a very stupid game of chicken named versus boat. And the boat won. They hit John right in his foot, mangling it, but he was like, "Don't worry, guys, I got this." Hydrotherapy. I will simply take my horribly mangled foot and stick it into the East River. So that's going to fix the problem. You know what this guy told us back on our last
Pinagsama-sama na sa atin.
So John does it. He sticks his single foot in the East River. He develops a terrible infection and he dies. So they have to interrupt him. His son Washington Roebling takes over the project, but at this point they're digging up the riverbed. So to get people down to the floor of the river, they have these little tin boxes called cases. They work a lot like elevators. They travel from the surface to the bottom and back up again. But what we didn't know at the time is that the human body can't really tolerate abrupt changes in pressure. It can make us really sick. It causes something called Payson's disease. It's also known as the bends. Happens a lot to scuba divers. A number of people working on the bridge develop it. A few did succumb to it. And Washington Roebling ended up permanently paralyzed from the waist down. So now they're out 2 architects. And the people of New York are starting to think that maybe the Brooklyn Bridge is cursed. But the city had already put a ton of money into the project and New York was going to let that go. So they start looking for their 3rd architect. Ultimately, it's Emily Warren Roebling, Washington's wife and John's daughter-in-law, who comes in to take over the project. She's a woman in the 1870s, so she has to learn advanced mathematics and collegiate-level architecture. She has to win the trust and respect of the people of New York City, which is not easy, and her all-male construction crew. But she does it, and it's actually Emily Warren Roebling who's credited with the completion of our beautiful Brooklyn Bridge. There's a park over in Brooklyn named after her. She was the first woman to do so in the United States. Emily was the first person to cross the completed bridge. She rode across with a rooster in her lap because they are the Roman symbol of victory. Sure, 150,000 other people crossed the bridge behind Emily that day, but plenty of New Yorkers were still skeptical. They were used to pigeons flying above their heads, not below their feet. So the city called up P.T. Barnum, the circus magnate of Barnum and Bailey, and he brought 21 circus elephants up to New York City. And they actually walked 21 elephants, no joke, from one end of this bridge to the other and back. That's 1.3 miles each way, just to prove, even though it was built by a woman, it is in fact structurally sound. And that noise we're hearing is the subway making its way across the Manhattan Bridge. Can't go under the East River, gotta go over. a really nice area over there. They've gentrified a lot of the boroughs as more and more people are fleeing our skyrocketing real estate prices in the city. Right now, the average price of a one-bedroom in Manhattan is $4,000 a month.
Guys, this is not Battery Park. The next stop. We're gonna get off of downtown.
So yung mga pamangkin, bababa na tayo.
Bababa na tayo dito.
Oh, let's go. Hindi na. Dito na tayo. Okay na yan. Let's go. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye!
So, ang tindi, no? Ang sarap ng sakay natin, Arbox. Medyo may konting,
Pero parang
sorry.
hilo.
Medyo may konting hilo, pero the best. Yan na, bye-bye. Bye-bye na sa ating ferry. So, doon tayo. Bili tayo ng battery, tapos punta na tayo kay Ninang Janet. Ninang Janet and Aunt Clara, thank you so much po.
Maraming
Oh,
salamat,
wonderful
tita.
experience
Tita,
talaga.
nagbigay naman kami ng tip. Yun nga lang po, $1 po.